My name is Antonio Pineda. I'm here with Jtech, and today I'm going to show you how to use a multimeter. Alright, so we're going to be checking the source from the back. We're going to check the voltage on it just to see what it's like. Alright, so what you want to do is first off, you're going to take your multimeter, you're going to set the volts, alright? And then you're going to make sure your decimal is at the hundreds. There you go. Alright, so what you want to do is set your multimeter down safe on the wall. And then you're going to put your leads positive, positive, negative, negative. Alright? So here we go. And when we check the lead, right where it's supposed to be at. So 11.92. Rounded off, that'd be 12. So this is a 12 volt battery. And that's how you would check for voltage on your battery and resistance to the negative terminal. First you want to do is make sure that your multimeter is set to the ohms, and also set the ohms right here range. There you go. Now I'm going to take one lead and hook it up to the negative right here, and then I'm going to take the other lead and hook it up to the negative right here. And it should settle between 0.4 and 0.5, and that's how you test for resistance. Alright, so now we're going to be testing voltage drop, and here to assist me is my classmate Glenn. Hi. Alright, and Tim. You finally got it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set the multimeter to volts. And then you're going to make sure you're set on volts here too. Alright, so what he's going to do is he's going to put one lead in, and then I'm going to put the other lead right here. Okay. And then if you could hit the lights, please. Alright, you're not supposed to see the voltage drop. Okay, so now we're going to test amperage. What you want to do is you want to take this lead and move it over here to the 20 amp. And then also set it to the 20 amp. Alright. And I have my assistant here, again, helping me out. And then now, I'll hook this lead up onto right here. And as you can see, it should go up a little bit. Alright. Turn them off.